Hey guys, can you solve 6 plus 2 divided by 2 minus 1 times 2? Okay, 6 plus 2 equals 8 divided by 2 minus 1 times 2. And now 8 divided by 2 equals 4 minus 1 times 2. Now 3 minus 1 equals 3 times 2. Now 3 times 2 equals 6. But this is not correct answer. Follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Parentheses first exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. Solve again. First of all, multiplication and division from left to right. Okay, 6 plus 2 divided by 2 equals 1 minus 1 times 2. Now multiply first, right? 6 plus 1 minus 1 times 2 equals 2. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. Plus 6 plus 1 equals 7 minus 2. And 7 minus 2 equals 5.